In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save your live video to archive on Instagram app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, hit three lines and select Settings. On Settings, tap on Privacy and then go to Live. And that's where you can enable this feature, which is called Save Live to Archive. Just hit that button to enable it. That will automatically save your live videos to your archive. Only you will be able to see your archive. However, keep in mind that live videos are archived for 30 days. So you will have just 30 days to save that live to your photos gallery, or to, for example, share it to your story or whatever. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.